Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to trace to get accurate outlines for drawing realistic portraits. The reference image, which I'll display on the screen now, is what I traced from. You can use either a computer screen or a window to trace your drawing. The more light you have, the clearer you will be able to see what you are tracing from. I would suggest using blue tack to hold the paper in place while you trace the image. I would also suggest using a piece of tracing paper for each subject, like I have done for this one. One tracing paper per dog. Once you have traced your image onto tracing paper, flip the tracing paper around and use another piece of paper to act as a base for the next step, not the actual drawing paper. The reason why the tracing paper needs to be flipped is to ink the other side, ready for the second trace. Your actual drawing will not end up flipped, so don't worry. The reason why I use the tracing method for my outlines is because it is the fastest and most efficient way of getting accurate proportions, and it is also the easiest if you are a beginner. Although some people accuse it of being a cheat, I think the main focus of realistic portraits is the shading and detail, and the outline is just a base for the actual result, so I don't see tracing as a cheat at all. I do think if you have time, practicing freehand is a good skill to have. However, if you have a high quality image where you can trace from it, there is nothing wrong with tracing to speed things up. Once you have finished this step, flip the tracing paper back to the original side and take the paper you are using for your drawing. Assemble the tracing paper to the position you want in the final drawing and start tracing again. The pen is pushing the lead ink from the other side onto the paper, thus creating the outline for you. It is important to not press too hard on the paper, as the outline should be faint. If you press too hard, you may indent the drawing paper, making the colouring harder to do. Once you have finished tracing, take the tracing paper off and lightly go around the outline, filling in any gaps as per your reference photo. Once this is done, your outline is complete and you will be ready to create beautiful portraits. I will be uploading a video of me drawing this image using colouring pencils in my next video. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.